10 Phrases I Use Every Day, Part 2. Hey, English learners. If you're like me, you don't just want to memorize grammar rules or vocabulary lists. You want to sound real. You want to speak like someone who actually lives in English. Someone who can chat, joke, explain, react, and connect naturally. That's why I created this series. In Part 1, I shared 10 daily phrases I use all the time, like, how's it going, and let me know. Now, in Part 2, I'm giving you 10 more essential phrases I use every single day, without even thinking about it. These aren't fancy words. They're real-life phrases I use to make conversations flow, show emotion and personality, buy time when I need to think, handle daily situations like a native speaker. Let's dive in. 10 new phrases I use every day. Part 2. 1. No worries, meaning it's okay, don't worry about it. Use it when someone apologizes or makes a mistake. Example, sorry for being late. No worries, I just got here too. This phrase is relaxed, friendly, and makes people feel comfortable. 2. That makes sense, meaning, I understand now. Your explanation is logical. Use it when you want to confirm that you understand someone's reasoning. Example, I didn't go because the weather was terrible. Ah, that makes sense. This phrase shows comprehension and connection. 3. I'm not sure, to be honest, meaning, I don't know exactly. Let me think or check. Use it when you need time to think or want to be sincere. Example, is she coming to the meeting? I'm not sure, to be honest. I haven't heard from her. This phrase adds honesty and humility to your language. 4. Kind of, sort of, meaning a little bit, not completely. Use it when you want to express something is partly true. Example, are you tired? Kind of. I didn't sleep well. Native speakers use this all the time to sound casual and realistic. 5. What do you mean by that? Meaning, can you explain more? Use it when something is unclear or confusing. Example, he's not exactly honest. Wait, what do you mean by that? This phrase shows curiosity and keeps the conversation going. 6. It depends, meaning, there's no simple answer. It changes based on the situation. Use it when you want to sound natural in complex situations. Example, do you like working from home? It depends. Some days I love it, some days I feel distracted. Very natural, very flexible. A must-know. 7. I was just about to, meaning, I was getting ready to do something. Use it when you're interrupted or about to act. Example, did you call her? I was just about to. This phrase makes your responses sound quick, responsive, and real-time. 8. I didn't catch that, meaning, I didn't hear or understand what you said. Use it when you need someone to repeat without sounding awkward. Example, the meeting's at 3. Sorry, I didn't catch that. What time? Use this instead of always saying what or huh. 9. Fair enough, meaning, I understand your point. That's reasonable. Use it when you respect someone's opinion, even if you don't fully agree. Example, I just don't think it's the right time to travel. Fair enough, safety first. This phrase adds balance and emotional intelligence to your English. Meaning, I hope everything goes well. Use it when you or someone else is hoping for a good result. Example, I have a job interview tomorrow. Fingers crossed, you've got this. It's fun, positive, and very common in spoken English. Use them in real life. Practice tips. Now that you've got 10 more power phrases, here's how to actually make them part of your English. Write them in your notebook with your own examples. Practice saying them in front of a mirror or camera. Use at least 3 of them in real conversation this week. Listen for them in movies, podcasts, and daily conversations. Repetition builds confidence. Real use builds fluency. Outro. Speak with soul, not just structure. Learning English isn't just about grammar. It's about expression, emotion, connection. When you use real phrases like these, you're not just practicing English, you're living it. You're showing your personality, your humor, your curiosity, and your care. These 10 phrases are small, but they make a big difference. So here's your challenge. Pick 3 phrases from this list today. Say them out loud right now, and use them in real life, on the bus, in a chat, at work, online. The more you speak, the more fluent you become. Keep growing. Keep showing up. And remember, your voice matters. Speak with courage. Speak with joy. Speak like someone who belongs in every conversation. You've got this. Let's go. 100. Let's wrap this up with a truth. Fluent English isn't about sounding perfect. It's about sounding real. It's about being understood, confident, and connected. These 10 everyday phrases might seem small, but they carry real power. They help you handle daily conversations, express your thoughts naturally, and respond in ways that feel human, not robotic. So here's what I want you to remember. Check mark. You don't need to memorize 1,000 words. You don't need to sound like a textbook. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. What you do need is to keep practicing phrases that flow with your personality. Phrases that help you show up as your true self. Phrases that make you say, "Yes, this feels like me." Keep speaking. Keep learning. Keep showing up. One phrase at a time. Your voice matters. Your English is improving every single day, and every conversation you have brings you one step closer to true fluency. So go out there and use your English, not later, but today. Because your words, they're not just English, they're your superpower. You've got this. Let's grow together. World map.